So my name's Tristan Jones. I'm Managing Director of a social enterprise called the Community Impact Initiative. We're a social enterprise based in South Wales where we teach people construction skills through the renovation of actual properties. Our current property is in Neath, where we're supporting people from a range of support organisations. So in this particular project, we're working with Ne Cymru, Job Centre, Employ, Careers Wales, Teg, Welsh Women's Aid. So the people referred to us will actually carry out the renovation with our construction tutors. And at the end of that, hopefully they will progress into employment or take the next steps on their journey, and the property will be sold and reinvested into the purchase of the next one then. So rather than being in a classroom environment or in a training facility, they're learning real skills in a real environment. They're achieving qualifications, so the experience they gain here will support them to move on into employment afterwards. We recently started a new project called Women Construct Wales. So as the name suggests, we support women and local communities to learn new skills. So seeing the positive journey these people go on through our project, yes, we're teaching construction skills, but they're learning practical skills and getting involved, and just seeing people improve in confidence and build self-esteem and motivation and build routine in life. That's something that's really important to me, and I want to see carry on.